Welcome to 1954 South Almond Avenue. This gorgeous home in Ontario, California, offers a number of amenities. A generously sized lot, a 3-car garage, remote gate entry, and a split AC unit that allows for efficient temperature control throughout the home, along with a whole house fan to further help with indoor climate control. A spacious foyer welcomes you into this home that features large, comfortable living spaces filled with natural light. A separate dining area that's big enough to handle a large family dinner, but is also perfect for smaller, more intimate gatherings. From here, you'll head into the large great room. As you can see, this room offers plenty of space for entertaining, along with a cozy fireplace that adds to the room's ambiance. The large, well-appointed kitchen features ample cabinet and counter space, along with stainless steel appliances and gas cooktop. A laundry room that accommodates a full-sized washer and dryer completes this home's living space. This home office space is conveniently attached to the large master suite that offers tons of natural light. A view to the backyard. A large walk-in closet and spacious master bath, giving this master suite the feel of a retreat. Three additional bedrooms, one that includes an ensuite bathroom, makes this home perfect for accommodating overnight guests while keeping a growing family comfortable. The outdoor living space actually feels more like a resort than a backyard. You'll enjoy a covered patio that includes a large outdoor eating area and a built-in bar. The ceiling fans above the dining table keep this area cool during warm summer days. The gorgeous pool also includes a gate enclosure for safety when not in use. And the low-maintenance turf lawn make this outdoor living space perfect for large gatherings or just enjoying some family time. 1954 South Almond Avenue in Ontario. Welcome home.